YouTube. Let's talk about some stocks. I don't know why I did that, but it just felt like something crazy to do, and hopefully it caught your attention. If not, oh well, I tried my best, and you're gonna get what you get when it comes to this channel. We are gonna be talking about some stocks today. Well, particularly one stock today, and that stock is TWOU. So if you are here to learn a little bit about TWOU and see why I am so bullish that I have added this to my watch list, we're gonna go over a couple things about the company, what they do, their future plans, or the story surrounding them, the price target that I have, and any extra information that I think is pertinent to the company itself. So let's just get right into it, you know? Wait, I can't do it in this. Wait a second, I can't do this video in this. Let's go. Yes, that's right, we got the coat jacket on. We're ready to talk about stocks and get you to learn how to earn this money. Let's dive deep into TWOU and learn a little bit about the company together. So the ticker symbol is TWOU. TWOU is the company. Market cap is $2.1 billion. What do? They provide long-distance learning solutions for graduate programs at high-quality colleges and universities. What does that mean? What's a high-quality college/university? We're talking Yale, Harvard, Cambridge. Literally, there's like 50 colleges, and those are like the ones that obviously stuck out. And they are constantly adding more and more colleges to their portfolio. All right, so let's hop into the future plan part that I wanted to talk about. Right now, they're mainly focused on graduate degrees. So we're talking masters, doctorates, all those type of things. But they are currently working on a little secret off in the side. It's called an undergraduate program. If you don't know what an undergraduate program is, that is a bachelor's degree. That is the normal initial 4-year school that everybody goes to. That big thing that they scream and preach to everybody in high school. Everybody feels like they're inclined to go get a degree, even though a degree really doesn't help that much. But don't take it from me. Regardless, this is still a very lucrative business because a lot of people want to go to school and they want to get a degree. My ultimate price target where I would go full ham and buy as much as I could would be anything around $20, as long as the story doesn't change, obviously. The current stock price is $33.71 is where it closed today. So we talked about how huge of an opportunity they have. We talked a little bit about their new program that they're developing. Now I wanted to get a little bit more into why I am so bullish on this company outside of those initial things. So they have amazing leadership. I've listened to the CEO talk on like 4 or 5 interviews and listened to him on the conference calls, and I have been super impressed with the way he carries himself, the big grand ideas that he has, and the way that he's kind of structured this company to be a long-term success and not just a quick short bursty company. And sometimes things like that aren't displayed in the actual stock price because this stock price has gone all the way up to 90 some dollars before. The way their business model works is they go to a college and they have a program that they set up initially, right? They do all this research and development to create this program, and then they take that program and they go to different colleges and set up similar programs for each separate type of college. The other part of their business is they actually go out and find the students that want to go to these schools, so the school doesn't have to do any of the work to find these students. And then they split the tuition in half between themselves and the actual school. Why this is so good for the school is because the school really doesn't have to do anything different except for continue teaching their classes, and they have another source of revenue to the school. And it gets them students that they wouldn't normally get because those students don't have to move to wherever Harvard is, Yale is, Cambridge. They don't have to move to the actual physical location of the school. They can do it all online. The other good thing is these contracts that they set up are very long term. We're talking 10 years plus when it comes to contracts. And this is a sleeper stock when it comes to the virus that we just went through, that it hasn't really gained off of. As everybody realized that they were able to operate still while people were quarantined or while people were at home, and all these schools realized that they were able to still continue learning via the internet, I could see TWOU really taking advantage of that situation and becoming a massive company. This is exactly where I want to be. This is exactly why I want it on my watch list. And I am so excited to see where this company goes in the future. When you're talking about a company that is only rated at $2 billion and is going into a market where there's so much cash, there's so many people going to school, there's so many different opportunities that TWOU has. I really feel confident that this stock is going to be big in the future, and we could see 10x, 100x potentially if everything works out. And I'm just super excited to have this on my watch list. I'm super excited to have dug deep into this company, and I kind of want to know what your guys' opinions are on the company as a whole. So if you could go in the comments, tell me your explanation of why you like this pick or you don't like this pick for my watch list. What's the other thing you're supposed to do? You remember what you're supposed to do? Hey, do you know what you're supposed to do besides like a video and comment? Oh yeah, subscribe, so that way you get my next pick that I come out with, so you're informed. So whenever I talk about a company or add a company to either my actual holdings or to my watch list, that means that anytime big news comes out around that company, I'm going to cover it. So make sure you subscribe so you get those videos as they come out, because I would hate for you to just see this video, invest your money into TWOU, and then something come out down the road and you not be informed, and then I feel bad because you lose all your money. I don't want you to lose money. I want you to make money. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you're following along, because I want to take care of your money. I want to take care of my money, but I want to take care of your money as well. I want to help. I want to teach. I want to learn. Now I'm just rambling. So with that said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love you all. Bye.